In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change View Only to Edit in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening the Google Sheet you want to work with. When a file is set to View Only, you'll notice that you can't type in any cells, move things around, or make changes. At the top, you'll usually see a message that says View Only, or you'll notice that the formatting options are grayed out. That simply means your current access is limited, and we need to adjust the sharing settings or request the right permissions. First, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. This opens a window that controls exactly who can see and edit your sheet. Inside this sharing window, you'll see different sections. Near the top, you'll usually see specific people or groups who currently have access. And next to each person's name, there's a drop-down that might say Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer means they can only see the file. Commenter can leave comments but can't directly change cells. Editor can fully edit the sheet. If you are the owner of the file or you have permission to manage access, you can change someone from Viewer to Editor. To do this, click that drop-down beside their name and choose Editor. Once you've made the change, select Save or Done at the bottom of the window. After a second, that person will now be able to edit the sheet just like you. If you want to adjust general link sharing, look for the section that mentions Anyone with the link or something similar. There's usually another drop-down there that also offers Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you set this to Editor, anyone who opens the sheet using that link will be able to edit it. Use this carefully because it gives more people editing power, which can be helpful for collaboration, but risky if you don't fully trust everyone with the link. Now, if you see that the file is View Only, and you don't have the ability to change these settings, that means you're not the owner, and you don't have permission to modify access. In that case, look for a button that says Request Edit Access. Click that, and you'll be able to send a short message to the owner explaining why you need editing rights. Once they approve your request, you'll receive an email and your access will automatically be upgraded to allow editing. And that's it. By using the Share button, adjusting roles from Viewer to Editor, or requesting access when needed, you can quickly move from View Only to full editing in Google Sheets.